It's your guy Steve Kinne coming to you with a quick and easy update that you want to do to your home this fall. It's about to be Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas parties, Christmas, New Year's. What do you want to do? Refinish that front door. It's dingy, it's dirty, the paint is chipping, there are dirt daubers on it. If you already have a stained front door, what do you need to do? Probably hire a professional. Sand it, restain it, re-varnish it, $200 to $300, good to go. If your door is already painted, even easier. Clean it off, give it a couple coats of paint, you're gonna be thrilled, and the front curb appeal of your home is gonna look so much better. That's your tip. Steve Kinne, the Kinne Group at Compass.